Hi, I'm Matt, Commercial Director here at Truckman. The Truckman GLS is perfect for those who need ventilation in the back of the truck while it's on the go. Perfect for getting your pets on the road. The GLS has large sliding side windows, tinted for privacy and perfect for ventilation in the back of the truck. The GLS is fully integrated with your vehicle's central locking, so you know your belongings are safe and secure. But if the vehicle's battery does happen to run flat, don't worry, there's a manual override just in case. The hidden seal means that your Truckman hardtop integrates perfectly with your vehicle. We even color code it to match the factory color. The 6 heavy-duty clamps provide a tight, non-drill fit to the vehicle. One of my favorite features of the GLS is the tinted, glazed, heated rear door, which is perfect for those cold winter mornings. In addition to being a great style feature of the hardtop, the sleek, sporty spoiler also houses a third brake light on vehicles that don't have one in the tailgate. We are so confident in the enduring quality of the Truckman hardtop range that every one of our luxury hardtops comes with a 3-year warranty for our customers. The Truckman GLS is the ideal hardtop for the leisure or commercial user who needs good ventilation in the back of the truck. At Truckman, we don't just do hardtops. We do a full range of customization options for your pickup. Everything from roof racks to drawers, even suspension. So jump on our website and get in touch with us or visit our head office here in Dudley.